Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. I have a little bit of trouble with my voice, but it'll be all right. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great week, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy, your daily updates. I'm still doing these daily updates, especially since there's still potential the Jasmy rallies higher. Now, the technical situation at this moment, I would say, is fairly similar, if not completely similar, to the situation yesterday, which is basically, I mean, Solana on its own, in my eyes, is quite manipulated. I mean, you see big spikes and just in general big moves everywhere, but that doesn't matter. But it's slowly moving up, as you can see, right? With these spikes, then brief consolidations, sometimes a crash, sometimes a bullish breakout, and that's kind of what we're waiting for again right here. If you look at the daily time frame, you'll see that we've set up some sort of a consolidation. I would say on top of, well, so far on top of 2 cents, but I think this whole level between 1.9 and 2 cents is really our main support, and that's holding up the price as well. All right, so that's our main support, and then we have a resistance which we have already broken above before, but we have failed to hold that between 2.15 and 2.25 cents. So ultimately, and I know this is very boring, but ultimately what you should do, I think, is wait for some sort of a breakout there. Because if you get a breakout here, then you'll have confirmation of which one of these players is stronger, the buyer or the seller, and then you can act upon that. Because I do really think that if Jasmy right now breaks down below 1.9 and 1.95 cents, for some reason on the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame, I think it's very much expected that we'll drop down all the way to previous levels at 1.5 and 1.6 cents. Whereas if Jasmy is actually able to break above 2.15 and preferably also above 2.25 cents, then I'm pretty sure we're going up to that next price target, which you can see historically, and there's also a 5 Fibonacci extension, is around 2.75 cents and 2.8 cents, which afterwards we can also start talking about levels even higher. So that is what I think we're waiting for. Now, obviously, if I want to talk about a little bit more, all right, because there are some more things we can look at to hopefully gain some sort of an edge to be able to expect what's going to happen, or reasonably expect what's going to happen. So yeah, if you look at Solana, if you look at Jasmy right here, look, the open interest, that hasn't been great. But then again, that also hasn't been great for a while right here. After that initial spike about a week ago, a little bit longer, and after that it still continued up. So I don't think this is too much of a problem. We've had some spot sell-offs, but that was the case yesterday as well, and still some sell-offs also on futures, but nothing major. All right, so there's no real. If I would look at this, I would say, all right, well, we're losing some momentum, so it is most likely that we'll have a bearish breakout. That's what I would say if I look at those numbers. But then I look at Bitcoin, which I still think, even though it's absolutely unsustainable to stay at these levels with these funding rates, but if I look at Bitcoin on the short term, I still do think we can get some short-term bullish momentum. So it's just mixed, all right? I would say, looking at the technical situation, a bullish breakout is most likely. But would I trade that? No, I would wait for that breakout, because there's so many different variables, and some are bullish, most are bullish, but some are quite bearish as well. So wait for that confirmation, then you'll know enough, and then you'll know more, all right? Until then, it's just going to stay in this consolidation, lose momentum, and build up some sort of a big move. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. Now, if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.